Asylum remains under lockdown, its staff at the mercy of the rampaging inmates. Just 10 minutes ago, we received this taped message.
Greetings, Gotham! Joker here! Arkham is mine! Soon I'll unleash madness untold to the streets of Gotham. But first, direct your eyes to the rooftops and witness the final destruction of your dear Dark Knight.
We've been circling the tower since the... Wait! There! Joker is making his move!
Showtime, Batman! Let's give the room something to talk about! Ha! Two freaks in a fight to the death! And for one night only, please welcome our special guest referee, come on! Change! Get crazy! It's the only way to beat me! You know you want to. Never. You wasted the antidote on yourself? Now that's funny! Hysterical! But you still spoil my fun, and for that, I'll paint Arkham with your blood. Let's get ready to tango! I'll rip you apart for all Gotham to see. Excuse me, Bats. In you come, boys. I've softened them up for you. Mind your head, Bats. So, Mr. Referee, how was that round? What? He's up. You want somebody? Hey, is that Jack Ryder's top right? Get off! When I get out of this... Give me a bad shot, Bats! You ready for this, Bats? I'm out, Bats! My people. Give him a kicking for me, boys! Yeah, I'm bored. Here it comes. I think it's unanimous decision. I am the greatest! What are you doing? You'll die for this, Bats! Bring it on! I'll rip you apart for all Gotham to see!
Did that hurt? God. Back in a second. That's... Come in, boys. Knock him about a bit. I've got a city to address. Oh, Mr. Referee. How was that round? What? Speak up. You hit like an old man. Punch him again! Look out! This you got? I'll give you something for the morning news. This won't stop me! I can take it. I can take anything you throw at me, bats. You can't beat me. I'm actually going to win. Ready for the next round?
Always.
What?
I'll never let you win. Never.
I'm fine, Barbara. The GCPD finally has control of the asylum. Doctors are treating the injured, but it looks like it'll take some time. All super criminals are back in custody. Quite a mess in there. And the venom-enhanced inmates are returning to normal. Though for some, the process can be quite painful.
Dad, how are you doing?
I'll survive. See you tonight, Barbara. Shame about your car. Can I give you a ride?
Thanks, Jim, but I have one on the way.
Get some rest. You deserve it.
Stay safe, Jim.
2 officers down. The suspect is fleeing in their patrol car.